Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are using Zoom for online meetings, classes, or business calls, then you're going to love this video. Because today, I'm going to show you a super useful trick on your iPhone that can save you time and make your Zoom experience much easier. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add shortcuts for Zoom on iPhone using Siri so you can join your meetings instantly just by speaking a simple command. No need to open the app and search everything manually anymore. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Zoom. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the Zoom app. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, go into Settings. Now scroll and tap on Siri Shortcuts. Here you will see different shortcut options available, including the option for joining meetings. Select the shortcut for joining your next meeting and set it up. After that, you can simply say, "Hey Siri, join next meeting." And Siri will automatically open Zoom and take you directly into your meeting. That's it! Super simple and very useful.